Universal Plug and Play, or UPnP, is a network protocol that revolutionizes how devices connect and communicate on your home network. Instead of manually configuring each device, UPnP allows them to automatically discover each other and establish network services. In 2025, UPnP has evolved significantly with the UPnP 2.0 standard. This latest version brings enhanced security protocols, better IPv6 support, and improved device authentication mechanisms that address the security concerns of earlier versions. UPnP consists of four core components that work together seamlessly. Device discovery allows devices to find each other on the network. Port mapping automatically opens and closes router ports as needed. Service advertisement lets devices announce their capabilities, and the control point manages and controls UPnP devices. UPnP operates through a sophisticated protocol stack. At the foundation, we have IP, TCP, and UDP protocols. Above that, HTTP handles device descriptions and control, while SOAP enables device control and eventing. SSDP manages device discovery, and GINA handles event notifications between devices. The adoption of UPnP has grown dramatically. Approximately 85% of home routers manufactured after 2023 now have UPnP enabled by default. This widespread adoption reflects the maturity and reliability of modern UPnP implementations. Major router manufacturers like Asus, Netgear, Linksys, and TP-Link have standardized their UPnP interfaces. Modern routers now include built-in security filters, device authentication mechanisms, and cloud integration for remote management through mobile apps and web portals. Enterprise-grade routers now offer granular UPnP controls with per-device permissions, allowing network administrators to fine-tune access. Mesh network systems provide unified UPnP management across all nodes, ensuring seamless device connectivity throughout the entire network coverage area. To enable UPnP on your router, you'll first need to access the router's admin panel. Open your web browser and enter your router's IP address in the address bar. You'll be prompted to enter your admin credentials. These are typically found on a sticker on your router, or may be the default username and password, like admin/admin or admin/password. Once logged in, you'll see your router's web interface. Here's an example of a TP-Link router interface showing the basic network overview. To find the UPnP settings, look for Advanced Settings or Network Settings in your router's menu. The exact location varies by manufacturer, but it's typically found in the Advanced or Network Configuration section. Here's an example of the UPnP settings page on an Asus router. Notice that UPnP is currently disabled, as shown by the selected radio button. This is where you'll make the change. To enable UPnP, simply toggle the switch from disabled to enabled or from off to on. The exact interface varies by router manufacturer, but the concept is the same across all brands. Many modern routers offer additional security settings for UPnP. You may see options for device access restrictions, where you can control which devices are allowed to use UPnP services. After enabling UPnP and configuring any security settings, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Apply or Save button. Some routers may require a restart to fully activate UPnP functionality. Besides the web interface, many routers now offer mobile apps for easier configuration. You can also enable UPnP through command line interface for advanced users, though this requires manufacturer-specific commands. Enabling UPnP is a straightforward process that greatly simplifies network device connectivity. Remember to check your security settings and monitor connected devices regularly to maintain network safety while enjoying the convenience of automatic port configuration.